Is this too good to be real?
5, 6, 7, 8.
Have you ever seen a castle in your dreams? That's what it sometimes feel like to me. Oh, and I know now
What a fun one! So, by Christopher. We're really enjoying it here in Southern California. So let's learn. 32 counts, one restart. Yay! Improver level. So it has some fun counts in it. So we do, it starts with a modified V step, out, out, back, and then a hitch. So out, out, back, hitch. So starts with the right foot, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we do a coaster step, but not with an and step, with full counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, back, back, forward, hold. First 8 counts, yay. Here we go, first 8 from the top with words and then with counts. Honey, I'm so high. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, out, back, hitch, right, left, left. I think I said that wrong. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, go back, hitch, go back, back, forward, hold. Awesome. With counts 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. Awesome. Then we step forward with our right. After we do our out, out, back, hitch, coaster, step, hold. 1, hold, 2, bounce, 3, 4. But keep your weight on your right foot. And I don't want to step in the fountain. So it's 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, bounce, step back left, touch right, step right, scuff or brush left. That's the second 8. Okay. So our second 8 starts with a step forward and a bounce, bounce, or heel, heel to over your left shoulder, doing a half turn. So step right, hold, bounce, bounce, step back, touch, step, scuff. Fun counts on this one. So let's do it with counts this time. Second 8 with counts. 1, hold, 2, bounce, 3, 4. Step back, touch, step, scuff. Awesome. Okay, first 2 together with words and then with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, out, back, hitch, coaster, step, hold. Step, hold, bounce, bounce, step, touch, step, scuff. Good. With counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. 1, hold, 2, bounce, 3, 4, step back, step, scuff. Good. Good. Third 8. We're going to do a chase turn over our right shoulder with our left foot because it's up. So we step, turn, step, and hold. And then a half turn and a quarter turn over our left shoulder, putting our right foot out. Half, turn, and a quarter turn. That's the third 8. Now we're at this wall, our new wall. So we just did step, touch, step, scuff. Our left foot's free to do a chase turn over our right shoulder with our left foot. Step, turn, step, hold. Half, turn, quarter turn. So let's do that again from the scuff. We just did scuff. Step, turn, step, hold. Half, turn, quarter turn. Good. With counts. We just did our scuff. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, let's put those 3 8s together with words and then with counts. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, out, step, hitch, coaster, step, hold, bounce, bounce, step, touch, step, scuff, pivot, turn, step, hold, half turn, quarter turn. Good. With counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Aren't the holds fun? Well, we're done now. We do those after we do the chase, turn, hold. We're done with holds through the last 32 counts. So we just did our quarter turn to our new wall, our 3 o'clock wall. And now we have no more holds, just full counts. And we do a step, touch, step, 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 touch, step, step. But we turn. So we're going to step forward with our right, or you can even cross it. Step, touch your left toe, then go back with your left, half turn with your right to the 9 o'clock wall. So it looks like this. Step, touch, go back, half turn. Good. One more time. Right foot's free. Step, touch, go back, half turn. Then we do the same thing, symmetrical, but with different feet. So now we do our left, touch, go back, half turn over your left shoulder to your 9 o'clock wall. Step, so step, touch, go back, turn. Step, touch, go back, turn. Good. And your right foot's free again to start all over. Yay. Okay, the counts. Let's do the last 8 with counts. So we just did our, what did we do? Step, turn, 3 o'clock wall, step, touch, go back, half turn. Step, touch, go back, half turn. Then you're ready to start again. Counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, from the top, all of them. 32 counts together. With words first, then with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. V, step, modified hitch, coaster, step, hold, bounce, bounce, step, touch, step, brush, chase, turn, step, hold, half turn, quarter turn, step, touch, back, turn, step, touch, back, turn. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, with counts. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. 1, hold 2, bounce 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! And against YouTube, you can stop, restart, pause, practice, and the restart. The restart happens on our 5th wall. The second time we come to our 5th wall, we do a restart after 8 counts. So we just did our first 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. Restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. That's it. That's the restart. Have fun. Click subscribe. Thumbs up. Comments. I'd love to hear your comments. Any dances you want to learn. Thank you for joining me. Bye.